Here we're taking a look at the JBL Tune Flex, and as you can see there's a box just there. Just going to take it open and look at the earbuds straight away. So as you can see it's JBL's standard JBL packaging, which is really nice, which we like. So we had to start with, there's the earbud case, which we'll look at straight away. Now look at that, look how small that is compared to the size of my hand. It's tiny, and there are the earbuds there as well. Now they're the stick design ones too. I'm going to move that and come look at the earbuds straight away. So there they are there. Now they've each got 12mm drivers in them as well, which is really good. As you can see, they're very light as well, absolutely tiny. You can see there where they fit into the ears as well, where the speaker is. Now, they have active noise cancelling with smart ambient aware, which means it uses the two microphones to let you minimize distractions. And talk through also allows you to be able to hear the environment around you, which is great. Now, you go put them in there. They've got the magnetic case in there as well, which you put them in, just like that. Now the case takes 2 hours to charge, but you can do a quick charge. For 10 minutes will give you an hour. Now it gives you up to 32 hours of battery life. So 24 hours in the case and 8 hours in each earbud, which is good. Now these are also sweat resistant as well. So the IPX4, which is water resistant and sweat resistant too. Now they do have USB-C charging at the back there as well. Now each of these little beauties has 12mm drivers. That means it packs a punch with sound. Now I do use JBL's pure sound as well, which is great. So the sound quality is excellent in them as well. You can control the earbuds as well by pressing both the earbuds as well. So pressing on there and pressing on there, you control it. Put those back there. You've also got the instruction guide here. So you've got the little case there which you can put the earbuds in, which I think is quite handy. So you can put the tips on too, which to be honest I found really worked when I had these. And you've got the USB-C charging cable as well as the JBL instruction guide too. So yeah, there you go guys, all round excellent earbuds. And there they are just there.